Hey everyone, welcome back to Mexmew. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install these sleek, brand new 3D dark icons on your Samsung Galaxy device. It looks super aesthetic and takes your home screen to the next level. So let's jump right into it. Alright guys, first step, open up the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type in Morphic Dark 3D Icon Pack. Found it? Great! Just tap Install and let it download. Next, head over to the Galaxy Store and search for Good Lock. If you haven't downloaded it yet, go ahead and install it. Once opened, make sure to update all the Good Lock modules, agree to the terms, and continue. Now, look for the Theme Park plugin inside Good Lock and open it up. Inside Theme Park, tap on the Icon tab at the bottom, then tap Create New. Tap on Icon at the top, select the Morphic Dark 3D Icon Pack that we just installed, save it, and hit Apply. And boom! Once applied, just look at these incredible new 3D dark icons on your Galaxy home screen. It gives your device such a premium, modern feel. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick setup guide. If you loved this video, please drop a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Mexmew for more awesome Samsung customization videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye!